This now Unity Broadcasting, as we are with the director of SERABU Authority, with the minister also there. We are the minister of works. We get the deputy minister also there. We get other engineers them. We get other senior staff from the Ministry of Works and SERABU Authority. We get Chinese company then also. We get Chico. We get ISU, we get CSC, we get Boku road construction company, then we get China Railway Group also, then they are. They can one are all. So since this morning we come on this place. Since this morning, now we left. We there are currently now this bridge where the bridge that Bumpeh Gao, the bridge here. Where the company we get for get chance for able to get here. So this now like as soon as you see this now the main bridge this where the kaya so that you see the bridge where the collapse. Now the bridge this will be collapse. Now the bridge this will be collapse. The bridge this way be collapsed, as you see. And the bridge this way be collapsed. We there for they got the minister, the director general there. I know. Director general there, the minister of works, the deputy there, they all there for come with the company them for come watch the bidding process. They can start because now they can with the company on the site. Can watch the company there, they watch them, they put in the bill, they watch the wood, and the bridge this way collapse. Currently, they don't get a company also where they start for can make this bridge here. Currently, the company also don't come. They don't get the contract for make this bridge. So the other company they start from TIKONKO to KPETEMA, to KPETEMA, when a 38 kilometers. But the 30 kilometers now in the rear stretch. But they go on other road where they call this inside this hospital today. Inside that hospital where the diet clinic. So it go also the way that 8 kilometers from the highway. It go inside the so it make 38 kilometers. So as soon as you see boats then in the water, because this bridge in that machine become oil. As you still remember the machine will become oil this road when I see. So this bridge has been done for this is Colonial Day Bridge. This is the Unity Broadcasting as will be live and direct. Take me by this view. So Unity Broadcasting as will be live and direct. Yeah. We get over 10 companies where they are currently. Over 10 companies where they are currently. Where they all come study the road. Like it meet they call a big meeting. For then they can meet the road, how the road condition there. How they would they take for which, so they will watch and they will bid. They will bid with the specification of the wood. So this now Unity Broadcasting as we live and direct. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you all. I'll hand over the floor to particular discussions, and then it will be interactive. So feel free to ask questions. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so without much wasting of time, the floor is open. You can send questions, we'll try to address them. And those which you cannot address now, we'll address them later, and of course we'll share the responses to every leader. So the floor is open.
So, boss, so is there any? Yeah, sorry. So, are there any location for quarries for stones for now?
Sorry?
Quarry.
Quarry location. Okay. Another question. Is that all?
Yes, of course.
That's all you want to ask. Stop. You will not be asking again.
Let's say one by one. Maybe
that's all.
all.
But also we want to know how about this bridge, whatever the work program about that, because you can see this bridge is in the middle of this two section. So it means that in the future, when we want to working with the asphalt and it means that the bridge is necessary to pass. Yeah.
Another one. No, it's like coming where we are.
On that side.
Are there visible sand pits around?
Sorry?
Visible sand pits.
All right. Any other question? Yes, all the borough pits are accessible. All the borough pits are accessible. Take one more, then we'll address these four. So, any other question? Any question? Okay. With regards to the quarry location, it's just about the quarry is located about 1 kilometer from where we're standing. There's a village called Mokowa. Of course, I'll send you the coordinates as part of the response or the minutes of what we're discussing here. I'll make sure I indicate the coordinates for the quarry as part of the response. The village is called Mokowa, and if you're leaving from where we are, going upwards, it's on the right-hand side. If you're coming from TIKONKO, then it's on the left-hand side. Okay? And talking about the work program for the bridge, of course, the bridge contract is for 18 months. Already we have done the design. The works will commence very soon. But then there is provision for badge, which can accommodate your vehicles so that you can be able to fly from one section to the other. It has not been installed at the moment, but then we're expecting to be in operation by the time we commence the project itself. So talking about sand pits, there is sand mining going on. As you can see, this is a riverine area. Sand mining is going on. You'll have to discuss with the community. But then this is not the only location that you can access sand. If you go towards Boa itself, you can get very good sand as well, quality sand. And then if you go across on the other side as well, there are various locations going towards MAYOROH Junction and so on and so forth that you can acquire quality sand as well. So, borough pits, all the borough pits along the road, they're accessible. They are along the road itself. You don't have to move far away from the road to access the borough pits. They are right across, as you move in, they're right adjacent to the road. Okay? I'll send you also the coordinates for the various borough pits that we've identified, so to ease your burden. So any other question, we encourage you to come up with, if you've looked through some of the documents that you've received, any questions you have, this is an opportunity. Now you will receive the information firsthand, and of course we'll send you the minutes.
There are no available pipe-borne water, or like water for use of the construction. Are we supposed to be doing boreholes or?
Pipe-borne water, huh? Any other questions, please? You can still ask it.
I'm afraid of it.
How can you do this?
Let me finish first.
I think he has asked. You can go ahead.
So this 18 months is the completion time for this bridge.
Yeah.
Okay, so during the time you said the badge will be available.
Yes.
Through the duration.
Yeah.
So during that badge, is there any specification for that badge? Like how many tons you could carry? And who is providing this badge service facility?
Okay. We'll address that. Any other queries? Questions? Numbers of swampy areas. Okay. Any other question?
Yes. No, you get cut off inside. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Oh, I don't think so. I don't know what you want.
We'll get portable water.
Portable water in here, of course. Okay. Yeah.
All right. So, with respect to the badge, the contractor responsible for the construction of the bridge will be providing the badge. And of course, if you had watched on your left, coming close to Bumpeh, you see the elements of the badge there. So the contractor who will be providing this badge is a reputable construction company that had constructed actually a road across very long rivers where this very badge had been used, and there are no issues. They were able to move over with all of their construction equipment, their cranes and everything. So obviously there shouldn't be any problem in that respect. They should be able to move across the river all of your construction equipment. Thank you very much.
Now, concerning the swampy areas.
Let me just do the pipe-borne water.
Okay.
Pipe-borne water is a luxury in this country.
Exactly.
It's a luxury. So I mean, there are some pipe-borne water, provisions along the corridor of the road. So, but they are mostly for the inhabitants of the communities for which this provision is made, and mostly it's for drinking, cooking, and so forth. However, right across the road, the entire stretch of the road, there are a lot of potable water of good quality that could be used for construction. So you have no problem. This is even a river. There will be no problem as far as water is concerned.
And even for consumption, yeah. Okay, so for the swampy areas, what I will tell you, of course, you notice that in as much as we have in drainage crossings around, you generally classify this section along the road as kind of flat, right? Now that the rain has dwindled down, some of the areas that you've seen as being dried, that you can move easily, some of those areas are very terrible areas for you to cross during the rainy season. But what we have, the provision, if you look at item 34 on the bill of quantities, we provide for up to 10 kilometers of marshy areas or areas that will require some modification of the material, whereby you'll have to use either you have to use granular material. So that particular section, item 34 of the BOQ, it deals with treatments for those particular areas that you will identify, about 10 kilometers. Okay, so that's what I would say. I will not pinpoint on specific this, and the number of areas, but it provides for 10-kilometer section. Okay.
We good?
Yeah.
Are there more questions? You want to add?
Yes, I just want to say there are several sections as streams. That means during the rain you see water crossing. So you have to be mindful of.
Yeah. So any other question?
You all understand the building documents very well, right? There are no issues, no other, even outside of technical issues, the procurement issues. You all okay? Don't you want any further explanation of the two envelope system? Are we okay with that? Are you okay? All right, that's fine. But if
one question. This is a technical question. Look, this is the sub-base, the blended laterite gravel with graded crushed rock aggregates I want to know the mixing percentage between the laterite gravel with the graded crushed stone. This one, because this is very important.
Mixing percentage.
Yeah.
Or composition, eh?
Yeah, composition between the laterite and the crushed stone.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Submit BOQ Excel file used for CD, but this one. Then submit BOQ Excel file submitted on CD, but CD now no available. Huh?
Okay.
Possible USB? Okay.
Okay. Submission, you know you're supposed to submit hard soft copy on the CD. So he's asking if he can submit on USB. Yeah. So yes, the composition for the basically this crushed stone composition or the stabilization composition. Of course, you know the soil is not homogeneous in the sense that you'll have various, the characteristics will change from one section to another. So in terms of the composition, what exact percentage you will have to apply on this section, it's, I cannot give you directly. You have to do your test. After you've done your test, you know you're working to get the PI within a particular number that is acceptable. So in order for you to achieve that, you have to know what is existing and the quantity of material you add to that particular soil for you to attain that particular PI. So what I'll tell you is it's varies, and you can only ascertain that when actually you're implementing the project. Okay, you do your test, you work closely with the consultant, and then you know this section I can apply this much. Okay, and for the submission, I know CD is getting outdated, or it's already outdated. So of course, we'll expect you to submit. If you have a flash drive or USB drive, you submit. We can accept that as well. Okay. So yes.
Are you talking about the
Additional.
The e-copy?
Yeah.
And we'll upgrade our procurement department. Probably they are still using CD.
Okay. I think it's been a very good one, and now we move to the next item, where we'll have some statements or remarks from our minister and other stakeholders. Closing statements. Okay.
All right, so just before we go to the bigger bosses, yes, I mean it's been a lovely time with you all. You know, this exercise needed to have been done for us to actually achieve what we want, and I mean, having had this question and answer period, and of course all the information that we have provided before even getting to this point, we think we've done a lot of justice to the exercise, and we've endeavored to make sure that you are all very much, I mean, your doubts are very much cleared. However, it doesn't end there. We'll give you the cutoff period for clarifications. Whilst you are preparing your bids, if you, I mean, come in contact with whatever issue or situation that requires further clarification, we are available. Kindly do it in writing and then send them to us. And we'll also, like I said, we'll tell you a cutoff date, after which, regardless of the farm which sends who requests for any clarification, we will share the responses with all the other farms. I want to thank you all for being here, and I wish you all good luck. So, as Minister of Finance, I don't think they are representative came, but the Honorable Minister of Works and Public Assets, Dr. Moina Sandy, is here. Doc, please.
Thank you very much, DG, Mr. Chairman, Madam Deputy Minister. Where is she? Madam Deputy Minister, please. Various engineers of the SLRA, would be contractors or representatives of the various contracting companies, our media, good afternoon. I'm really pleased to be here this afternoon and to witness, from TIKONKO, as far as here, what has transpired in between. I'm really impressed with the pre-bid process. And all I would like to say, ladies and gentlemen, is that this road is really of highest priority to one of the success stories of His Excellency, our President, Brigadier Retired Dr. Julius Madam. This is one of the roads that before 2028, SLRA, Ministry of Works, and contractors will have no excuse but to complete it. This is one of the start and end projects of His Excellency. So this is why we are here, along with the Deputy Minister, to go and report accordingly what we've seen so far. I'm impressed with the number of contractors I've seen. Chico, CNC, CRG, ISU, etc., etc. I think David Walters, this is a very good beginning for all of us. So all I would like to say is that continue having good faith in the process, continue having confidence in the SLRA leadership, to the extent of the day, January 8th, the bid will be open for all and somebody to see. And whoever emerges as the winner, rest assured that the confidence that will be placed in you, honestly, you need to really construct this road within the 24-month period, as explained by the procurement officer, and then the 12 months, of course, for mobilization. So I'm here to represent, of course, His Excellency, and I will report accordingly in Cabinet, and then tell him as far as I know that, yes, we've made progress, so that by 2026, we'll be coming here and having fun. But I'm impressed so far. And thank you very much, DG, for the leadership you provided so far. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, everybody from SLRA, of course, the Chairman, Board of Directors, SLRA, Uncle J.S. Kefala, has been here, trekking with us, moving from one point to the other, to see for himself exactly what is going on. So I'm really impressed so far. I just hope that when the bid is opened, and then the next stage now comes implementation and signing, we should express maximum seriousness. There should be no excuses. Whoever gets this particular contract, when you get your advance payment, or even before the arrival of your advance payment, come and start work immediately. Let's say, for instance, SLRA said today, this company X has won the contract. After 2 days, we want to see you on the ground to demonstrate your seriousness and your determination. Because the money will be coming to come and start doing your work. We know some companies in terms of road construction that are credible in this country, we know them. And we think that, yes, if those companies are given the chance to prove themselves, honestly, we'll see better results even before 2026. So congratulations in advance. I won't be part of the procurement process. That's not my role. I won't be there. But whoever emerges, rest assured that the due process was followed. So thank you again very much, DG. When I come here next time, it should be the monitoring, the supervision, and then eventually the launching of the opening of this road by His Excellency. Please, let's work towards that, okay? Thank you very much. And then going back, I'm going to wish all of us safe journey. And may the Almighty God, because we trust in God, take us back safely. We are not engineers. We are politicians who believe in God. Thank you very much.
So even though the minister has not told us what engineers believe in, but thank you very much, Mr. Minister. Right. So at this point, we'll now move on to the chairman, Board of Directors of the Roads Authority.
Thank you very much, DG, Honorable Minister and Deputy, all bidders who are here, staff of the SLRA. We are happy to be with you this morning and afternoon. We have had a lengthy discussion. We have been briefed on our activities concerning this road. And I must stress that what the minister has said, this road is very strategic. Strategic not only for the president, but it's also strategic for agriculture, for the mining sector, because across this bridge, you will meet another bridge, then you go to the route tie. I think, for those in the southeast, this is the shortest route, to Rutai, where we have so many people. And also, currently, it's going to be the shortest road, to our farmland. So we expect that whoever wins this contract, should go according to the contract document. And I know, all of you here have worked, except I think one company or two that have not been fortunate to have work here. But, all the other companies have been hearing their names, CSC, CLC, ISU, and so forth, have worked here. And one of the things, we are not the only monitors. We have the community. When we were on the Kailan Wedu, you see the community hailing, contractors for them, to be given the job. But also, you, the contractors yourself, must find yourself here, as a home. Because, we have 2,400 kilometers of road to be paved. And this is just the start. So, once you be of good conduct, to our work, I think you have the chance of staying and making Salary your home. Thank you very much for coming, and I wish you good luck.
Thank you very much, Chairman. So it's a tradition that we, after putting all of this together, it is great work, and then we all come this long way. We normally like one of you to give us a vote of thanks. So who would like to do that for us? Where's my friend? No, he was standing behind us again. Mr. Waters. So, CRSG, come and give us a vote of thanks. Yes.
And then you'll be awarded 5 extra marks.
Really? Okay. First of all, thank you very much for inviting us to this kind of illustration for all the details of this upcoming project. And we really appreciate that how all of us are organizing this site visit, and also telling so many explanation and details of how this project is going to come up with, how we are going to take those materials, how this local community is gonna help each other to make finally this project run. So we're very happy to be here, and we are expecting that we might have this opportunity to help each other. Thank you very much.
And thank you for thanking us. Right. So as a last word, please don't forget to come along the road on your own, to look at the details. And it doesn't end here. It goes beyond onto Sembeonjo, up to KPETEMA, and then it goes to SERABU, and then comes out at MAYOROH. Kindly go there, do some preliminary investigations for yourself, so you present to us a very good bid. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Safe trip back home.
There's some water and some cold drinks.
This Unity Broadcasting, as we be there with the Director General of the Sierra Leone Roads Authority, also the staff them from the Sierra Leone Roads Authority. We there also with the Minister, the Deputy Minister of Works and Deputy also there. We get company there. We get Chico, we get ISU, we get CSC. We get, what's your name of your company?
David Walter.
David Walters. We have over 8 or 10 companies presently here. They also don't come putting, watch the road already because they get for make a bid. We have over 10 companies that they are for becoming the bid. We get one company, we get the road they come up from TIKONKO, when above the streets. They come up both the street TIKONKO, where they come through from this place that they call Bumpeh Gao, yes. Where you come on here, you go join the junction for going to the president in village. or the president in town when I would time. Now the road, but other company also the way they do that on the road from KPETEMA to Rutai also where they come out, they also they on the work now. We get another company now currently. This company they also don't start their own what they can start now. Where they can make the bid next month. Where they can make the bid. We get the one way now from TIKONKO. There's some from TIKONKO to KPETEMA. MATRU road project when lot 2. The lot 1 now they come on from KPETEMA to MATRU. These are the lot 2 where they cancel part. So other road also the way they come on from Jala where they also come. So the entire road therefore become a good road where therefore be something where a special thing for the 2 districts. They connect Bo and MATRU. So like it connects TIKONKO, KPETEMA, MATRU, John Road project. Lot 2, when TIKONKO, KPETEMA, MAYOROH junction, SERABU, 38.1 kilometer road. Where they are currently, we get bill coming there. We get ISU also. We get ISU also there. Where they also did. They also don't put in for them. We now ISU for make the road. We get Boku company then where really where they don't care. So Oman get your own lock now. Oman get your own lock. So can say okay. Water. So we get a group company now where they don't already come where they also get interest over it. They don't know where they already get interest over it. Where they already get interest over it. And the company they are by God in power and 1 or 2 will succeed. Also we get a bridge like where people live here. Also where most of them are the born. So I'm back in the right, sir. Yes, I like to talk to the police, sir. Talk to the police. Traffic, sir. Okay. What's your name, sir?
Mr. Maguna, sir.
Mr.
Maguna, sir.
Mr. Maguna. Who's you born, sir?
SERABU, sir.
SERABU. So, what you go say about the way you see Sierra Leone Rules Authority with the today? Come with the company them way one of them will succeed for get contract for make this road here from here to KPETEMA. KPETEMA also the company where they commodate for go na route. So, what thing you will say about this road? Because when I don't tell you,
Yes, sir.
What you will say about the road?
Well, I really happy what I see now, so because with the strain with the suffer now pass mark. From that time, we the bridge we don't go down. And sufferness no more. But what I can see now, I hope say I get hope say the bridge this trip here, we will make them. I'm so happy for that day. So I appreciate you now. What I see now. Oh, now don't come for me the bridge.
So na bike right?
Yes, I mean
so
bike
when the road be bad today, how na can feel for come on table na?
Well, with the strain, with the suffer pass mark, where the road is so by now, with the suffer.
So like yeah now on the side na quota they give up put your table. They even enter back from SERABU na 8 kilometers also.
Yeah, from Bo to SERABU table to you na
So they give up So thank you very much. This are Unity Broadcasting. These are just few people within there. We they are the bikers and they straight a lot for crossover for go for cross for go, and it will be very bad because also I don't use that doing the rains. I don't use that doing the rains. It will be very bad. As I see the company the all there, this is in reality something like when a reality it happen. This is Unity Broadcasting within life and direct. Thank you very much.